We're getting some more breaking updates. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav has promised that the Waqf amendment bill will be tossed into a dustbin if his party has formed the government in the Bihar. He says that his party has moved the Supreme Court against the controversial legislation which passed in the parliament earlier this week. This is coming at the backdrop of some of these parties, like I was mentioning, the Congress, AIMIM, Aam Aadmi Party. And now the latest, from what we understand, is that even when we talk about the RJD, all of them have filed petitions challenging the law in the Supreme Court. Let's go ahead and play out what the RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav had to say.
सरकार बना करके इस कानून को कूड़ेदान में फेंकना। सीए एनआरसी का भी हम लोगों ने प्रस्ताव जो है भेजा था कि नहीं भेजा था कि किसी भी कीमत पे हम लोग सीए एनआरसी को बिहार में लागू नहीं होने देंगे। सब लोगों ने पास करके भेजा था।
Meanwhile, the BJP has taken a jibe on Tejashwi Yadav's statement over his comment on Waqf bill. Let's listen in.
राहुल गांधी और तेजस्वी यादव एंटाइटल डायनेस भड़काने की, बहकाने की और चिल्लाने की कोशिश अभी भी कर रहे हैं और AIMPLB को पूरा समर्थन दे रहे हैं। तेजस्वी यादव बोलते हैं कि मैं वक्फ का बिल सरकार आने पर कूड़ेदान में डाल दूंगा। कभी बिल को फाड़ देना, ऑर्डिनेंस को फाड़ देना, कभी कूड़ेदान में डालने की बात करना, ये बताता है कि इनके मन में संविधान नहीं, केवल वोट बैंक की दुकान चलती है। राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि देखिए, अब माइनॉरिटीज पर हमला किया जाएगा, पहले मुस्लिम थे, अब क्रिश्चियन पर हमला किया जाएगा। राहुल गांधी जी, तब आप क्यों चुप रहे जब KCBC और CBCI ने कहा कि वो चाहता है वक्त संशोधन हो?
All right, let's move ahead right now. Storm is brewing in the corridors of justice as Allahabad High Court faces unprecedented outrage. Justice Tejashwi Verma, already under the shadow of cash for justice scandal, was administered a secret oath behind closed doors with no prior notice to the Bar Association or the public. This move has sparked fierce protest, legal uproar and demands for accountability. Stay tuned as we dive into this report.
A massive storm has hit the judicial corridors. Taken off from judicial assignment, Justice Yashwant Verma was administered oath at the Allahabad HC, sparking a massive outrage. No Bar Association was informed. No public announcement was made. Just a silent, closed-door oath ceremony, raising more questions than answers. The Allahabad High Court Bar Association has slammed the move, calling it unconstitutional and a violation of established judicial norms. They claim secrecy has never been part of any judicial swearing-in process and demand to know why the ceremony was hidden from public view.
मेरा ये कहना है कि ओथ दी जाती, क्या किसी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर को ओथ दी जाती है? जस्ट लाइक IAS ऑफिसर्स को क्या ओथ दिलाई जाती है? ओथ उन्हीं को दिलाई जाती है जहां पब्लिक ट्रस्ट का सवाल आता है। MP, MLA, मिनिस्टर्स, जहां पे पब्लिक ट्रस्ट है, गवर्नर, प्रेसिडेंट, जजेस, इनको दिलाई जाती है इनके डिस्चार्ज के लिए, इनके फंक्शन के डिस्चार्ज के लिए। मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब इनको जुडिशियल फंक्शन दिया नहीं जा रहा तो ओथ किस बात की? यही कारण है कि हम लोगों ने इस अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ओथ का बायकॉट का पहले हमने रेजोल्यूशन पास किया था।
The secret oath comes at a time when Justice Verma is already under a cloud. A burning pile of cash found at his residence triggered a full-blown judicial crisis. A 3-member panel is currently probing the sensational cash for justice scandal. But instead of stepping aside or being suspended, Justice Verma is back on the bench. Oudh High Court Bar Association chief says this undermines the credibility of the ongoing probe.
No, we are very much there because Mr. Tiwari, Allahabad High Court Bar Association is going to convene a meeting on 26th of this month, and the matter is only related to the credibility of the judiciary in the present scenario. Controversial oath, so long as he is not given any judicial assignment, we are least concerned. Like the manner, they are least concerned about our participation in their oath ceremony. We are least concerned about his sitting at Allahabad or at Lucknow or at anywhere, so long he is not given any judicial assignment.
If a judge under investigation is being re-inducted secretly, what message does it send? Outrage is spreading across legal circles. Demands for judicial accountability are growing louder by the day. Why was Justice Verma allowed to take oath behind closed doors? What are the authorities trying to hide? As the judiciary fights to protect its integrity, this secret oath has triggered one of the biggest controversies in recent memory. The bar is furious, the public is questioning, and the system is once again under the scanner.